Hi everybody, this is Merav, and today we're going to review a plugin called SEO Friendly Links and Images and see what it does and see if it can help us with SEO. So I already installed it. Let's take a look at the back end. I'm going to enable it. But before that, let's take a look at one article on the front end. As you can see, this article has an image and it has a link and even has another link here. And when I hover over the image, I see that there's no tooltip or anything like that, so that means there is no title tag. Same thing for the link, there's no title tag, and this one as well. No title tag and no alt tag either. If you look at the source code, you can see that there is neither of those. So it's not very optimized for search engine optimization, because what you want is you want your images and your title and your links to have both the alt tag and the title tag, and you want them to have keywords inside. So it doesn't have to be just any old alt tag or title tag. It needs to have the keywords that you're optimizing your page for. So this page right now is not optimized. So let's take a look with this plugin what happens. So we have a few fields here. The first field is basically telling you take the link and the word that you use for the link, use that as the alt tag and the title tag. So for example, here we have the word the children and it's a link, so it's going to create a tooltip or an alt tag and title tag with the word children, which in this case is not very efficient because just the word children is not a very good keyword. However, there is a keyword here, a social skills training, that can be optimized further. So let's see how it looks like if we turn it on, enable, save, and now we're going to refresh this page, and now you can see that the link has the tooltip, which indicates it has a title tag, and the tooltip is the same as the link. Same here. So basically, if you want to use this plugin, you want to make sure that your links have the keywords, which is something you should do anyway for search engines. Otherwise, it just doesn't make much sense. Now let's move on to images. The third field here is basically asking you, do you want to add alt tag and title tag, or just alt, or nothing to the images? So right now it's set to yes, alt tag and title. Let's hover the image, and what you can see happens here, it's taking the image, let's hover again, it's taking the image file name and creates an alt tag and a title tag. Now look at this file name. In this case, it's this actor, this athlete, so it's great if you're optimizing for his name, but we're optimizing this page for this keyword, social skills training. We're not optimizing it for this person. So it's absolutely useless to have the name of the image as the title tag or the alt tag, unless you are so diligent and you really have all the images with the keywords and stuff like that. It's unrealistic. Okay, so this is for me, it's not very useful. Okay, now what I want to show you is how we do this with our Joomla SEO. I'm going to go back to this and I'm going to disable it, and I'm going to activate the iJoomla SEO plugins that we have here. Let's take a look in the back end of iJoomla SEO. If we go to settings, here on general settings, you can see that you can use for alt tags, for images, you can use the keywords that you specified in the meta tags. Okay, so it doesn't just take the image name, it takes the keywords. So that's very powerful, and you can choose how many keywords you want to use out of these keywords that you specify in the meta tags. You can even choose if you want to use a keyword or a phrase, and if you want to override it or not, stuff like that. So let's take a look, for example, on the meta tags. I'm going to enter the keyword here so I can find this article, and as you can see, I optimize it. I entered the phrase social skill training here and here, So what it's going to do is going to take this and use that as the alt tag of the image. Let's refresh this and see how it looks. Good. So now you see that the image has keywords and not just the name of an image. The other thing that I wanted to show you is not just images, but also how it works with links and iJoomla SEO. Now, iJoomla SEO allows you to create automatic links, or internal links we call it sometimes, based on keywords. For example, in iJoomla SEO website, every time the word SEO Joomla or Joomla SEO shows up, it will link it to a certain page, the page that we're optimizing that keyword for. So let's take a look how it looks like when we open it. Every time the word Joomla SEO shows up, link it to the homepage, seo.ijoomla.com, and use the title tag Joomla SEO. And that's done for you automatically. Let's look at the front end and see how it looks like. Joomla SEO, Joomla SEO, SEO for Joomla, SEO for Joomla. So this is, you don't have, first of all, you don't have to use a certain, just the keyword linking to something that's the same. That means the anchor text doesn't have to be the same as the title tag. It can be completely different. That's one benefit. The other one is that it's done automatically. You set it up once, you never have to think about it ever again. So this is very, very powerful, and it will make your life so much easier, and it will make your site more successful. If you look at Google for the word Joomla SEO, you will see that we show up here at number 2 in organic search, right here. So that's pretty good. And we were nowhere to be found when we launched this product, which was a couple of years ago. So yes, this definitely works, and you need to do stuff like that to make your site go higher on search results. So to sum this up, this little plugin, it's called SEO Friendly Links and Images. It's nice, it's better than nothing, but just keep in mind the images are not optimized properly when you use the image's name, and it gives you less control over what you can do with it. But if you can't afford a Joomla SEO, then it's a nice little addition, and it's free, so you can give it a try. Thanks for watching.